My name is Mitra Berman. I'm with Nelson Shelton Realtors. Once again, award seasons are upon us, and Being the Ricardos is up for Best Picture. Here we are on Arnaz Drive, where our beloved Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz used to live. Come along with me to see my new listing, a fourplex in Beverly Hills, California.